Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rounded corners in Adobe Illustrator. It's quick and it's easy, so let's climb straight in. So we've got this square over here, and you can just go over here to this shape making tool. You can make anything from squares to rectangles and everything else here. So what we can do is use the select tool, and we are going to click on the actual shape. Okay, you'll see all of these dots around these markers on the corners. Now when you go and put your cursor over that dot on the inside, if you click down and drag it, you'll be able to round the corners. Now, as you can see, the entire square is selected, but let's say we only want to select a certain corner. We're going to select this direct selection tool, and what you can do is click on the actual corner, okay, or you can click down and drag over the corner. Now only this one will be selected, as you can see here. Let's go and let's change the roundness. Now let's say you want to do this corner and that corner, so let's select that one. Let's hold in Control and let us select this corner. Now you can see this corner and this corner is selected. Let's go ahead and hold in Shift, and we are going to drag a box over this corner, and we're going to drag a box over this corner. Now you can see you can round this corner and this corner. So if you use any one of these dots, that's what will happen. So if you're using, again, Shift to select, you can keep your selection, so like that and like that. And now you can just round just those two corners.